How to change Airbnb password. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from the Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll simply show you how to change your Airbnb password in two scenarios. That is, if you remember your current password, you're logged in and you want to change it, or if you forgot your password and you want to reset it. It's very simple. Now first, we'll get with the first step, that is to changing our Airbnb password. Just log into your account in a browser or Mac or PC, then select your profile picture on the top right and then click on the option called account. And once you click on the account option, select the option called login and security, and under login and security just select the option called password and then click on update. Now type in your current password right over here and your new password in the appropriate field, and just make sure that both of the passwords are actually correct. Airbnb also will indicate the strength of your new password as you type, and then just tap on the update password button. Now this is only for those who remember their current password, but if you forgot your password and you're trying to reset it, what you have to do is you have to go to the reset password page in a web browser. I'll also make sure to drop a link in the description box that you can go to the specific reset password page to reset your password, and then type in your email address and then click on a send reset link. When you send a reset link, a new reset link is going to be sent to the email address associated with your Airbnb account, and you can simply tap or open that link in order to set a new password. And that's all it takes to change your Airbnb password. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.